Printing in Microsoft Excel. If you want to print your document in Microsoft Excel, all you have to do is to just take your mouse to the file menu, look for the print, click on the print, and immediately in the Office Microsoft Office 2013, by the right hand side it will show you the preview of the document that you want to just print. This is what was written, and this is the document that I want to print out. On the left hand side, this is the place whereby you have to do your setting, make your setting to be accurate, that how many copies you want to just before you click on the print. If it is 5 copies, you have to just click on the up arrow key to just increase it, or you type it by yourself. If it is 10, I can type 10 copy. So depend on the numbers of copy you want to do, and if it is only one, you just leave it at 1 copy. Now here, this is where you select your printers and the printer that you want to use to just print. You may in a system, maybe in the organization or where you are, you may be using up to 2 printers, but here I have not even installed any printers there, so we go back for that one later. Then this one, this is where you just set the setting of all the things. You can just select how the printer the print has to be to look like. When you just click on it, it will just show you maybe the selection of uh, the cell that you want to just print. It will just print out. This is where you can just select the print selection, make a selection. But for this one, it's all the all the active cell are to be printed. So now look at it here. Here there's, if it is collation, or maybe you want to print it 1 2 3 4 5, or you want to just select it, maybe one, number two, number four, number three, five, and co. So this is where you can just select all of that things. Then here I select to be letter. So if it is A4, you have to just come to this place, select A4, change it to A4, so that when the printer take the paper, it will be an accurate. If you put A4 in your printers, you have to just select the A4 here before you now click on print. But we are not going to do it here now because we have not even installed the printers in it.